Limitless challenge is officially over. I want to say congratulations to Tony Ingles for winning the challenge with a 153 mile per hour pass, which I find very impressive. He had 153 miles per hour on 4S. So congratulations, Tony. He won the challenge. I need you to reach out to me. This is my email address. They just send me your, the name you want on the trophy and address you want me to send the trophy to, so I can place the order. And I want to thank everybody who participated in the challenge. Thank y'all for participating. Hope y'all have fun. Hope we all learned something, and maybe we get another challenge in sooner or later. I want to thank everybody for watching. You should like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.